Hello everyone, welcome to this aerial tour of New Beginnings Boys Camp. So what we see here is the main big building where classes, eating and such activities will take place. We have a volleyball net in there. It's coming up yet. Um, uh, in the back here you can see a bunch of windows. On this side actually there's a lot of windows and stuff. That is staff rooms from this side that we just flew over. This is the back side now. Um, More staff rooms. The three windows on the right on the top floor are going to be staff rooms. The bottom windows are kitchen and dining room on the right side and stuff. Um, uh, and then on this side is on this the left half is our house. The right half is staff and whatever eating room, classroom, kitchen, stuff like that. And then if we go down, you can get a bit of a look at the front. So here we're gonna go in now. You can see the volleyball net and the front of the house. There's a check out my channel for the video from the inside of the house tour. You can see that there. And then we're just gonna do another flyover here. For some reason, when you go look on the roof, there is weird lines. I'm not sure why they come on there, but it has something to do with how the tin is. We got 12 solar panels that should power the whole place. There was the wash line. Down there you could see the septic for a couple seconds. So right down there is the pipe for the septic. Coming from the back again. And then a flyover. This is the pig barn. We have 12 pigs that are going to be raised as meat for the camp. And here is the cabin where the boys are actually going to be sleeping. 4 rooms, so about 16 boys. And here you can see these black tanks. That is our water reservoir. That comes where the water gets pumped in from the well and then stored there for use. Here's the cabin again. We got 4 rooms, like I said, and so about 16 boys for this first camp. We're starting with 2 cabins or two rooms, so that's 8 boys we're hoping to get. So just another flyover. Look at our red roof, and then turn around here, and that's about it.